What is that? Air in horn. What is that? Let's see, did I burn any? Probably. What am I doing? It's gonna be really super hot today. What do most people do when it's really super hot? Swim in the pool? Suntan? Lay in the shade? In a hammock? Yeah. My neighbor just texted me and she said there's going to be a pool party. I said, cool. Thanks for letting me know. Can you tell everybody that I'm going to bring 3 different kinds of cookies? So, oatmeal cookies. And these are chocolate chip cookies. And that is, it's sort of like a white chip fudge cookie. I just got the recipe for that one, so I'm trying it out. Those oatmeal cookies are looking like flying saucers. Oh, wow. Whatever, people don't care. Chocolate chip. Done. Oatmeal cookies that I adjusted for high altitude and my oven. So you see the difference? Yoo-hoo! And then these, I don't know what those are going to turn out like, we'll see. And those. As you see, I am using the Aunt Ingrid method. I'm done making the cookies. I had a couple of problems. One was with the flat oatmeal cookies that look like Frisbees. Other ones I had to bake longer because of high altitude. Oh. And I had to put more flour in. This is what you do if you don't have a lot of counter space. Bake on a budget. What do you do on hot days? What do you do, Jazz Baby, on hot days? What do you out there in YouTube land do on hot days? Do you bake on hot days? Get to baking. I love you, Jazz Bear.